If you're wondering how to use Vendasta's Snapshot report for lead generation, this video will give you a quick but detailed explanation that will help you start leveraging this tool right away to boost your sales pipeline. Stick around to the end because I'll also show you how to get the software for free with exclusive bonuses. First, let's talk about the power of the Snapshot report. This tool provides a quick snapshot of a business's online presence. It gives you key insights into things like their website, social media performance, SEO, and more. By using this data, you can identify where a business is struggling and position your services as the solution. If you're into lead generation, this report is your best friend because it turns vague business insights into actionable opportunities. Next thing, the Snapshot report is highly customizable. You can easily tweak the report to focus on what matters most to your target audience. Want to focus on SEO issues or their social media presence? You got it. This flexibility allows you to tailor the report to make it directly relevant to the needs of the businesses you're targeting. And because it's automated, it saves you tons of time, something that would otherwise take hours of manual research. The third thing is how to use the Snapshot report for prospecting. Once you generate the report, you have a perfect talking point when reaching out to potential leads. Let's say a business's website is slow or their social media engagement is low. With the Snapshot report, you can bring these issues to their attention, creating a conversation around their pain points and how you can solve them. This approach makes your pitch way more personal and direct, which greatly improves your chances of conversion. The fourth thing, and this is a game changer, is using the Snapshot report for follow-ups. After you've sent the initial report, you can use it as a follow-up tool to keep the conversation going. If a lead didn't respond the first time, sending them an updated report with fresh insights can reignite interest and push them further down the sales funnel. And finally, one of the biggest benefits is that Vendasta makes this entire process scalable. Whether you're working with small businesses or larger enterprises, the Snapshot report is easy to use and repeat for multiple leads. You can generate several reports in no time and automate much of the process, making your lead generation system far more efficient and profitable. To wrap it up, using Vendasta's Snapshot report for lead generation is a powerful and efficient way to identify opportunities, engage with leads, and grow your business. And as a bonus, you can try this software for free through the first link below, plus get access to exclusive extended trials. Make sure you check that out and start generating leads faster today.